Hello there and welcome along. The Gardener Ben here with your next companion plant, and today I've chosen this beautiful Alstroemeria, otherwise known as the Bavarian lily. This one is Alstroemeria Indian summer. As you can see, it really does live up to its name with these beautiful fire red, orange and yellow flowers. Alstroemeria are a group of plants that vary in size, shape and colour, normally flowering all the way through the summer months from June all the way through to the back end of September and into October. A really hard-working group of plants that originate from South Africa, so they can take a huge amount of heat and some wet conditions as well. This particular Alstroemeria has the most amazing purpley chocolate brown foliage and brown stems, which bear these very beautiful burnt orange, red and yellow flowers flecked with little specks of brown. It really is very attractive. This particular Alstroemeria is going to grow to around 65 to 70 centimeters tall and eventually form a clump in the garden of around 60 centimeters in diameter. This is an absolutely fabulous plant for planting alongside really strong coloured roses. Maybe you want to create yourself a hot coloured border and plant rose, absolutely fabulous. Otherwise known as Julia Childs, that one is available from Peterbilt's here in the UK, or other burnt orange roses, for instance, the Lady of Shallot, available from David Austin Roses. But this particular plant is absolutely beautiful and mixes well with a whole host of other flowers. Maybe you want to plant it with an orange daylily or this purple-leafed Persicaria red dragon. It's a really useful plant for adding that really vibrant shock of colour in the garden. Now, this one is going to need a location planted in full sun or partial shade. And as I say, it will take some drought and some heat, but you must get your Alstroemeria established first. So once you've planted it in the ground, make sure you water it well for the first 6 months, or you're probably likely to use it. But Alstroemeria will come back year after year and reward you with lots and lots of flowers. It's a really useful cut flower as well. If you want to cut your Alstroemeria and bring it into the house, it's going to last probably around 10 to 14 days in advance. So a very long and great value for money flower. Simply get hold of the stems. You never ever cut an Alstroemeria. Never cut the stems at the ground if you want to bring it into the house. It's very much like rhubarb. What you need to do is you need to get hold of the stem close down to the ground and give it a good firm pull. You'll end up with a little heel on the very bottom. It will remove itself from the plant. All you need to do once you take it into the house is simply trim the stems off at an angle, strip off the lower leaves and place this into your vase straight into water. I say it will last in a cool room after direct sunlight for around 10 to 14 days, but you can see the colour of that Alstroemeria, absolutely stunning. Today's companion plant is Alstroemeria Indian Summer.